how to log into your Acorn TV account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is make sure that Acorn TV is installed. Then you can simply open the Acorn TV application, and then from there you will be able to see this interface. Simply tap on continue, and after tapping on continue, here you can get the option of subscribe, right? So if you simply tap on subscribe here, you can get the option of already a member login. So all you need to do is tap on that login button. Then from there, all you need to do is add in the credentials of your Acorn account. So all you need to do is first of all add in your email address and the password. Then you can tap on next, and just like this, there might be a verification code required. If it does, then you can simply verify your account, and then from there you can simply log into your Acorn TV Acorn TV account like that. So unfortunately, if you have forgotten the password of your account, you can tap on the forgot password right here, and then you can add in the email address, then tap on send email, and you will actually be getting a link which you will be able to tap on, and then you can get the instructions on how you'll be able to reset your password. Simply follow that, and you can also reset your password, come back to your login page, and then simply add in your email address and your new password, then tap on next and log into your account like that too. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.